Hi, this is Karen Co. with the Karen Co. Realty Group. I'm coming at you with a luxury market update for February 2026. We are the #1 luxury group in the Triangle. We sell more homes over $1 million than any other group. We specialize in Raleigh, Apex, and Cary, and we're going to focus on those markets today. When we're talking about luxury, it's basically $800,000 and above, but we're focusing on the homes over $1 million, considering the average sales price in the Wake County area is $500,000. The averages and the percentages that we're giving you today pertain to the homes that are sold over $1 million in those areas. The data we're focusing on is median sales price, average days on market, list price to sales price, inventory, and supply levels. Why do we focus on months of supply? I briefly touched on this last month, but a healthy market is between 4 and 6 months of supply. So anything under 3 months would be considered a seller's market, and anything over 6 months of supply would be a buyer's market. Let's get into the data. Let's first look at Cary. Cary had a median sales price $1,220,000. The percentage of the original list price attained was 98.7%. There were 44 homes for sale in Cary last month over $1 million. The average number of days a home was on the market was 9. And finally, the month supply in Cary was 2 months. When we look at the numbers, we're still in the seller's market for luxury homes in Cary with only a 2-month supply. A major stat change in luxury homes in Cary is days on market. We had a 76% decrease in days on market, which is huge, which shows that Cary luxury homes are in high demand. I can attest to this. I've seen a huge increase in the number of buyers moving to the Triangle who are looking for luxury homes. Let's now take a look at the numbers for Apex. The median sales price was $1,070,220, and the percentage of list price to sales price was 96.7%. Apex had 37 luxury homes for sale in February. The average number of days on market was 32, and the months of supply was 2.1 months. Once again, we are seeing a seller's market for the luxury homes in Apex. However, we've seen an increase on days on market compared to Cary, which we saw a huge decrease with days on market. Okay, let's get into the Raleigh luxury market. The median luxury sale price was $1,550,000. The average sales price to list price was 95.8%. The average days on market was 38. There were 263 homes for sale in Raleigh over the $1 million mark, and the months of supply in Raleigh was 4 months. The market is very stable in Raleigh. We're seeing that 4-month supply, which is exactly what we saw in January. The median sales price in Raleigh continues to climb, which is significantly higher than the prices in Cary and Apex. The key takeaway from this data is that Cary and Apex are still a seller's market, and the Cary homes are selling much faster than they did last year. Raleigh remains stable at that 4-month supply and has a significant amount of homes for sale over $1 million. It's a great time to sell your home in the Cary and Apex luxury market. And even in Raleigh, it's a great time to sell your home. However, you might have to do a little bit more negotiating. If you're a buyer in the luxury market, it is very competitive right now. So make sure you hire a realtor that has a lot of experience navigating the luxury market. If you have any questions about any of the information we presented today, we'd love to hear from you. We pride ourselves in being experts in the luxury market. Thank you for watching this video today. And if you're thinking about making a move this spring, we'd love to work with you. Please follow us along for more real estate tips and home tours.